Did you know there are only two ways for you to become rich and prosperous in life? If you don't respect these two methods and follow them, you risk always being in financial difficulties. So pay attention, because in the next few moments, I'll show you the only two paths to achieve the financial freedom you so desire. Imagine you are around 30 years old and have a monthly salary of 3,000 rays. This amount might be enough to cover your basic expenses at the moment. But what's the big challenge? If you continue earning this salary for a long time, by the end of your career, you will retire with an insignificant amount and receiving a minimal pension. You probably won't be able to pay for your health plan or your medications. This would mean a mediocre lifestyle, and surely you deserve much more than that, right? Did you know that to be prosperous and rich, you need to visualize and repeat this until it becomes a desire that will attract more and more prosperity? So comment like this: I am prosperous and will generate wealth. Comment this way, and I'll leave a little heart on your comment, proving that you will indeed be the first millionaire in your family. Now that you've commented, let's continue. For you to grow financially in life, you need to start thinking like successful people, that is thinking long-term. I'll now explain what these two crucial moves are. If you don't make these two moves, you risk remaining in financial difficulties forever. First strategy: live one step below your current financial level. If you currently earn 3,000 Rs a month, the idea is that through planning and effort, you can live on just 2,000 Rs and save a significant portion of what you earn, around 10%, 15%, or even 20%. This saved amount, obtained by adjusting your lifestyle to a more economical level, will serve for you to invest and make that money grow through investments. Therefore, the first strategy is to live below your income level, ensuring savings that can be invested, thus accumulating more wealth. This is how prosperous people manage to build their fortunes. They save, invest, and make their money work for them. For example, if you start spending less on unnecessary expenses, like dining out and needless shopping, and direct that saved money into smart investments, you will see your wealth grow over time. Prosperous people avoid falling into the trap of spending everything they earn, adopting a mindset focused on long-term financial growth. If today you spend all your salary and save nothing, if you can't live below your current standard, you are failing to apply this crucial strategy. Reevaluate your priorities and find ways to cut unnecessary expenses. Second strategy: own your own business, become an entrepreneur. Historically, people who own and run their own businesses tend to earn much more than those who are employees. Just look at Forbes, his list of the richest people in the world. Almost all of them are entrepreneurs. There are no people dependent on someone else's salary. All of them built their wealth by owning their own businesses. If you start a business, no matter how small, you will be in control of your earning potential. By investing your time, effort, and resources into something you are passionate about, you can create an income source that has the potential to grow indefinitely. Additionally, entrepreneurship allows you to diversify your income sources and not rely solely on a fixed job. To start, you can identify an area where you have skills or passion and research how to turn that into a profitable business. Investing in yourself. Learning about the market, customer needs, and growth strategies can turn a simple idea into a successful venture. Implementing these two strategies, living one step below financially and owning your own business, is fundamental for those seeking financial freedom. With discipline, planning, and a long-term focused mindset, you can change your financial reality and build a prosperous and secure future. Regardless of which direction you choose to follow in the business world, entrepreneurship is a highly promising path. You need to start thinking, how can I start my own business? Unlike other careers, as an employee, you will hardly earn more than entrepreneurs, people who own their own businesses. When you have your own venture, the pace of growth depends solely on you, and that's fantastic. This pace is influenced by your strategies, the knowledge you have, your bold spirit, the effort you dedicate, and your capacity for innovation. There are various ways to become an entrepreneur. You can, for example, share your knowledge with others. By offering classes or consulting services, You could become a partner with someone who has similar ideas to yours. Another option is to venture into baking, creating homemade sweets, or even burgers. Working with relationship marketing is also an excellent possibility, as well as partnerships with other people, or even opening a franchise. You can also join an existing business and be part of its growth. The important thing is to find a way to start adapting your options to your skills and interests. If today you earn less than 1,500 reads per month, the financial return of being an entrepreneur will likely be greater than continuing as an employee. In this sense, any entrepreneurial initiative has the potential to bring higher earnings than you would get as an employee. Therefore, it is essential to think abundantly and not limit yourself to a fixed salary. Thus, we have two main paths: save a part of what you earn and invest, allowing your money to work for you and lead you to prosperity more quickly. So you can choose between being an investor or an entrepreneur. If you are not in either of these two groups, the reality is clear: you risk facing financial difficulties for the rest of your life. There is still a third path that is very powerful. When you own your business, you can save a portion of the earnings and invest. This allows you to build true financial prosperity, accumulating wealth over time. Although this message may seem like a reality check, the intention is to awaken in you the need for change. Controlling your finances is fundamental to achieving financial success. Remember, rich people have an affinity with money, and perhaps what you lack is exactly that intimacy and control. Instead of living like average people who often live dissatisfied with their Mondays, celebrate only on weekends, and spend carelessly, it is crucial to adopt the mindset of prosperous people. If today, you can save and invest while working for someone great. But the two main paths to prosper are becoming an entrepreneur or an investor. If you don't choose one of these paths, the future financial situation may not be promising, and I believe you don't want that for your life, right? Transform your way of thinking and acting and see the difference it can make in your journey towards prosperity. You who have come this far, this shows that you are a resilient person and deserve all the prosperity that this world has to offer. So comment until the end, and I will be leaving a heart in your comment, which proves your resilience. But don't leave the video just yet. Here on the screen, I will be leaving two of my recommendations to add even more value to your knowledge, so go watch it now.